Hello friends, now our Ubuntu is running our in the virtual box. So let us go into the Ubuntu first. Here I am typing I am put my password here. Now I am first of all going to the terminal, and also I open this in side-by-side browser, and here I will open the browser. First of all, we are doing the sudo apt update. If any update is there, then first of all download them. We have already installed this apt install sudo open server. We are already installed. First we are verify whether our Accessig is running or not. So after it completes its update, we will check the status. Okay, I think it's started now. Now we are checking the status. Sudo system ctl status is okay. It is showing me active. If it is not active, then I will go into the show sheet, and there I am enabling this. Focus on my words that I am enabling it. If it is inactive, but now it is active, so we will directly go move forward. So we check whether our Accessig is listening on port 22 or not. Then we are ss minor tull Jared. Yeah, our port is also listening on 22. Okay, now we are going to sudo okay. We are already enabling this, so we are not going to do, but we are checking whether it is running or not using this command sudo ufw status for this. Yeah, and our status is now active. We are checking actually uFW means enable firewall, untitled firewall, something like that. Then we are going here. Okay, now we are knowledge of these things now. So we are going into that part. So actually now we are going into the terminal. Okay. Before going to terminal, I first of all I click this and take the IP address of this, and this is nothing but my IP address actually. Okay. Now I'm moving into the terminal. First of all, I think paint 132. 225.16. That means we are successfully there. So now we are doing one thing. We are SSH, and the command for that is SSH at the rate. So Yogesh at the rate. Yogesh, my name is my device name Yogesh at the rate. And this our IP address 134.225.156. We are actually now in the Ubuntu machine. See, on here we are seeing C Yogesh here. Yogesh at the rate virtualbox means we are actually in the Ubuntu. So now what we are going to do is first of all let's move to part 7. Okay, we are in part 7. Okay, we are doing this. Okay, now we have already installed these things. Okay, we are already okay. Now git clone and we are let us go into the GitHub again, into the new window. And here we are going to first step to app we are going to clone there. So I am taking this from here. I copy this. I am checking this here. Okay, we are first come back here into CD. Okay, then we git clone. Let's checking on the list. We have many folders like personal project, SSH testing. Now we are git clone directly that link. Sorry. We are not going to see or anything here. We are using the terminal now of Windows. So we are sitting here. It is starting to now before I think it is clone or everything there. Then we are doing this thing. Then we are going into the CD. CD and what's our project name, that is full stack. Okay. Before going back to whether that is running here or not. Yeah, full stack to the app is now here. See here before it is not there, but now it is here. So I am moving to that direct. And finally I am here. So I am again doing the ls there and pass. So before going ahead, what they are saying, examine the file structure. So ls minus la, these are actually the paths we have in the folder. So we are not going to see any file directly. Now we are creating the virtual environment. Activating our virtual environment, and it is also activated. So we are seeing like this video here as well. So we are going to see the first two things. We are going into part 1 and then we will install all the things of requirements. Then first of all we will go into the part 1. Okay, then always. So there is requirement file that I have copied. Keep install minus R requirements. And all the things are now going to install here. I think it will take some time for that. Now we are installing the Unicorn. Now we will see the list of all the things, what things we have actually. We are seeing here also we have a class and Unicorn as well. Okay, so if we are using this one, we are not able to directly access it from here as well. So if I am trying to open this one, nothing will show because it is running into Ubantu. I am checking it into the Windows. So now actually interconnection is there, but still it is not showing. But if the same thing I am doing into the Ubuntu, it will show me everything. Like if suppose I am going here into Firefox. And here suppose I am trying to access this one. So, yeah, you can see here, you can see the all things here. Our project is running in the Ubuntu but not into the Windows. So how can we run into the Windows? So let us go again into our terminal. First of all, stop it. I want to see. Okay, after stopping, I am again going here. This is the command. So before going command, this unicorn minus by this one, and also app. Here we have to give the name that the name which our file have. Actually, we have a part 1 now. So maybe we will need to do that thing. So just a minute. Let me just templates. Okay, we have .p1. So actually it's okay now. We can run that easily. Let's see, because I have included. So if I am trying to run, it will not be any data stars will be right. have to be here our IP address now. So suppose I am giving my IP address here 10.168 something like that. Yeah, 10.134 225 now we can see that we are in the windows and we are also accessing this one. So see here we are actually in the right path. Everything is now clear. About page, home, contact page, all things now are running private. So in this way we are connecting Ubuntu and the Windows. Hope you are like this video. So before going ahead we are just see the short summary what actually we are doing. We are doing something like, first of all we are going to the virtual box we are running, then we are going into the Ubuntu here, then we are going into terminal. We are first of all sudo apt update, then system we are checking the system SSH and we are see that here it is active. If it is not active, then we are enabling it and doing the active. Then we are checking whether our port is listening on 22 or not, then it is listening. Then we are checking the status of UFW, that is untitled firewall, I think firewall, yeah, something status about firewall, so it is active. So now we are coming here, we are taking this IP address. We are now connect back into our terminal. We are first checking whether it is listening to that. So we are seeing that it is replying, so it is listening. Then we are run our main command, that is SSH, my server name, @ and our IP address. So after that we are going into ls. We are checking how many folders are there. Then we are git clone, which what we want to do. Then we are git cloning that. Then we are coming ls. There again we are checking the folders. Again we are moving into that folder, and after that folder we are seeing that how many actually part into that folder. Then we are checking the list, how actually the format. Then we are going to create a virtual environment. We are activating that. Then after activating we are I think going to that part 1. Then we are pip install all the requirements of that part. Then we are installing GUnicon, which is very important. How GUnicon works actually. So Nginx is one concept. Suppose when the user comes, it first goes to the Nginx. Nginx has many ports. So Nginx use listening to I think 8080. Yeah, something like that actually. Let me check here. Yeah, maybe it is coming first. Yeah, incoming is with request. It is coming on GUnicon, but before that it is going to GUnicon. Sorry, Nginx. We will ask the Gemini. Okay, so first of all, when client send HTTP request, it is going to the Nginx, yeah, into the port 80 or 443. Then that request come into the GUnicon to port 8000. Many requests Nginx can share on 8000. Then that request come to Python app, and then we are giving the response like app, GUnicon, Nginx, and then client. This is actually there. Actually from here, when client request goes to Nginx, GUnicon, and then app. Very important also. So after that we are running through the app.py, but from here app.py, but this will not run because we are not doing into our own server. We are actually using some other server, so that's why GUnicon we are using. So I quit that and first of all running with this GUnicon -/, this one 8000 port, and app. This app is actually my you can say app.py, and this app is like this app like actually I don't know the syntax. Let me ask this. So I know this app is that app.py. Suppose it is name, then I will name here name. But let us ask the generally what actually syntax this is. So it is showing module name, and this is a variable name. Actually So this app is like app.py, and inside it we are giving that app equal to like Flask. We are giving that app equal to Flask. This one, that app. This is. If I am going to show you this app, here I am giving my web object. Then I am using here my web object. And how's my server, because my file name is server.py, but in our case our file name is app.py, and inside it we have app.py, so that's why we are using like this. So in this way all this flow works. So after that we are giving our GUnicon and stop this process. So for stopping we are kill the and then control C, control V, and we are killing this one. So in this way whole flow goes. I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you.